Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to change your Google Play Store country to Canada step by step. So if you're trying to download the application that's only available in Canada or want to switch your region, then this guide will help you. So let's just get started. Start by opening up the Play Store application for that on your Android phone, and once you access it up, you can look out for your profile icon in the top right corner and select it. After you select it, this menu pops up on your screen. Now from the given options, you need to select the option of settings and open it up. After you open up your settings, what you may do is look out for the general section and drop it down. And once you look out for general, look out for the option called account and device preferences and tap on it. Now under account and devices preferences, there you should be finding different options. You can scroll through the given options and head over to the section called country and profiles. So here in this section, if you are currently outside Canada, you will be seeing an option to switch to the Canadian Play Store. So you can look out for that option and tap on it. And if you want to fully activate the Canada region, you can even add up a payment method. So from this page right here, you can look out for a payment method within your profile. Look out for the option of payments and subscriptions and tap on it. And look out for the option of payment method. And once you tap on payment method, you can look out for add credit or debit card, tap on it. And here in the section, provide in your Canadian credit or debit card or PayPal link to a Canadian address and tap on safeguard. And if you do not have one, you can also use your Canadian Google Play gift cards available online. And that is it. You should be able to do so. You can only change your Play Store country once every 12 months. You need to understand that. And some apps and prices will change after switching. And that is it. That is how you change your Play Store country to Canada on Android. So if this video helped, give the video a like and also comment. And also don't forget to subscribe for more tips every week.